For that? Okay.
Yard style satisfaction.
Jerk or barbecue.
Jerk.
Bird
Leg. Right, just so now we have Island Grill, is it? Right, let's say digital.
You download the Sire Chicken card with Videographyer next media. Keep it locked.
Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel, is it? Remember to like, share and subscribe. You know it's your boy next to me there. Yeah man, we there Mono Park people, is it? And as I said earlier, I'm hungry. So right now we are tour the place. I'm gonna come into my favorite fast food place, is it? Alright people, yeah man, beautiful Mono Park. This is in Kingston Spring. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, this place is big. So we did there the part where KFC there and Burger King. I'm not feel for KFC and Burger King. I more feel for like Island Grill, is it? Yeah man, that's what I feel for. Okay, you know, so the Island Grill, it's a full of belly more too, so I go for it, you see it people. I can see what I go on a peak hours now. Now like now it's 5 o'clock. So everybody try for garden yard, you see it? Yeah man, everybody try for garden yard. Very very busy hours now, you see it? As I said earlier, we out with the family, my sis. Yeah, she go to UTech, do her exam today, and we follow her to accomplish her. So see the people? We are at the Mono Park Stayaway, and this is the next section. See that they sell everything over here, and not just food they sell over here. Yeah man, they sell everything over here, people. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, just sit back and enjoy, people. Let me show you what I'm going for that place here, is it? Wow, Christmas a come people. Yeah man, Christmas a come. See the people have something there right, just a bank. See the first CBIC bank over here. Yeah man, you have everything over here, you see it? See a view there? You can see what I'm going. See, they sell kids stuff right here, so. Yeah. And right here, so you have Domino Pizza. Yeah. Domino Pizza. Right here, so now you have Island Grill, you see it? Right, let's say digital. See the people? Island Grill. I'm telling you earlier. Okay. The last time, last time. When?
Next customer in the meantime, please. Chicken and red, please.
I started juice. Ask them why juice.
First time we are vegan time. Rice and peas?
Yes.
Anything else?
Your style satisfaction.
Jerk or barbecue.
Jerk.
Breast
Leg.
leg. Rice and peas with fat.
Yeah. What kind of plant now? We can in put a plant with it.
Yeah, right.
Alright, yeah.
Another bowl like 2,600. Yeah, what do you? I want bowl like
Size cup.
Check your receipt. Check your receipt. I want the bunny.
Them have here.
What? And
What
what else?
size cup? Ask them the price. How you price the cup them? Cup juice them?
Which one you want? Soda or true juice? True juice? 250, 350, 400. Small. 3,100. Answer? Yeah, this is funny like.
Yeah.
You know, separate bag, you know? What bag? Different bag. You don't get to know about that.
Seated people island grill. Right now we get the food here now. So you know it's a mad thing. Ready?